You ever heard of Rocky Mountain oysters? Well, I'm fixing to show you some Rocky Mountain oysters and how to take them off an animal. First off, these are the testicles of an animal. Now, if this offends you in any way, I am truly sorry. Okay, these are very good to eat. What we're going to do, we're going to remove them, just like this. If you have any questions or comments about this video, go ahead and post them below. Come with me. Alright, find a nice, clean, flat surface. What we're going to do, we're going to take it, we're going to cut it. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that. What we want to do is we want to cut the skin off the outside of them, just like this. See this? This is the part you want to get off of all this outside skin. Just like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to spend some time and just skin it. Just like that. See this right here?
That's what you do, bitch. Pull the skin back.
I like to cut them right down the middle, just like this. And lay it open. Kind of looks like an oyster, doesn't it? See that? But the best way to do this is to cut them very thin. Little thin pieces of meat, just like this. Looks just like a little oyster, doesn't it? That's before. That's after. 2 red stag testicles turned into Rocky Mountain oysters! Ah! Ooh. You gotta make them crispy, otherwise they'll be mushy. Oh yeah. It's the other white meat. I'll tell you what, if you've never eaten testicles, you don't know what you're missing.